Now it's time to raise the perfect toast, and we have among us a super enthusiastic, lovely, and a beautiful looking lady. So, she is the eldest daughter in law of the Dantas family. She works at Fly Dubai as an in flight manager, and a lot of you have got to know about it. So wherever she goes, she is literally the life of a party, and she brings so much joy and so many smiles in everybody's life, whoever she touches. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, presenting to you the Toastmaster of the evening, none other than the very beautiful Mrs. Michelle Dantas. Let's hear it for her.
My heart is already skipping a beat. It's my first time, guys, so please excuse me if I fumble. So, Dev bari sans diyo samajhtank. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome and a good evening to one and all. Thank you, Komal, for introducing me so beautifully tonight. Well, in order to make this event a memorable one for Clifford and Jane, I would request everyone to ensure that you sit back, relax, and once I finish raising my toast, you'll have to make the day the fullest you can by dancing and enjoying yourself, because we want to make loads of memories tonight, isn't it, guys? All right. So, Paile, Clifford and Jane, congratulations on receiving the sacrament of marriage, and welcome Jane to the family. You're officially ours now, finally. So, firstly, I would like to be introducing Isonoro, Clifford lovingly called as Kipu. He lives in Dubai, and he's the fourth child of Mr. and Mrs. Mark and Juliana Dantas, and they live in Kotebagal. The eldest son being Vincent, known as Vincy, my husband, who was the the champagne opener for the night. And he's married to me, and we have two beautiful kids, Zidane and Zidane and Zinaya. Zinaya is one of the flower girls of the night. All right. And we live in Dubai. Second is Veronica, the one and only daughter of the family and the pampered one. She's married to Ronald Sequeira, the handsome one and only brother-in-law. And they live in Mangalore, and they have one pretty baby girl, Zoe. There she is, all flaunting. And she is the other flower girl for the night. The third being Michael, known as Mickey to all of us, married to Abby. And there are three gorgeous girls. Actually, we have a big girl gang in our team, and we're wanting more boys. You get my hint, Kipu? So they are Esme, Myla, and Molly. They live in UK, and unfortunately, due to COVID restrictions, they're being terribly missed today, right from preparations until now. So I know they're there with us somewhere, listening to us. I'm sure someone's doing somewhere live. And the fourth, Amsonoro, Pusun Gallo Podo. So we'll talk about him in a bit. Let's go to our Sobit vocal for the night, Jane, who's looking smashing and dashing. So Jane lives in Dubai, and she is the eldest daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jaya Prakash and Flavia Barbosa, and they reside in Pangla. And the second daughter is Jenny, today the beautiful maid of honor, and she's also living in Dubai. So 10 years ago, when I got married and entered the Dantas house, I was inspired by Vincy's mom and dad. Their relationship. Well, they've been called, and they're still called, the lovebirds of their parish. I'm sure many of them agree to that. They're always together, somehow happy and content in each other, doing little things for each other, whatever possible. Even in this affected world, they're absolutely stress-free. And somehow we've kind of picked up a bit from them, and we're trying to, get better. But I don't think we can ace them, but we'll try. So years later, I saw the same strength, the same bond, and the same trust in this beautiful couple sitting here. So my handsome brother-in-law, Kipu, is a kind-hearted, always keeping everyone first, extremely loving son, a brother, a faithful friend. I'm sure all his guy gang, all his friends who've come here from all over the world, especially from the Middle East, agree with me. Very respectful, and not to forget, extremely talented in sports and singing. So overall, he's like an all-rounder. And my pretty, bubbly sister-in-law, Jane, is just the cherry on his cake. Knowing her for nearly 1.5 years now, she's a modern of the new generation, but at the same time, humbly grounded. She's a lovely cook, by the way, God-fearing, and a perfect homemaker. They politely call each other Shona, with love. Even in those stressful days, especially during the practices we had at home, their first dance, but still, Shona Ashanai, Shona Ashanai. So that was so amazing to see them. I hope that continues for a long, long time of years. So that's there I noticed their respect for each other. They can watch cricket all day, leaving everything behind, just the two of them. So there's their friendship. So they've got common interest, which is wonderful. They might not be the icebreakers of any party, but they're always hand in hand with each other, giggling, enjoying the party, as if they are physically in this world, but actually in each other's world. And we've noticed that in our parties as well, always together. So there is their love. So Kipu and Jane, God's abundant blessing on both of you. Vincy and I and the entire Dantas family will never leave a thing behind for you to support you. Stay the way you are and carry forward the legacy that our parents have given us, that is to love, respect, and most importantly, be friends and bring up loads of children. We definitely want to increase and add the count, isn't it, Veronica? Yeah? In the Dantas family. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to raise the toast to this beautiful couple. So let's all raise now. Let's all rise up. Everybody could rise up, please. And let's raise our glasses, wish them good luck, happiness, love, forever, ever, and ever. So here's to the most charming, handsome, dashing, smart groom, and to his beautiful, stunning, smashing, gorgeous wife, Jane, at the count of 3. So 3, 2, 1, cheers!
Michelle, such a beautiful toast. That was personal. That was beautiful as you. Thank you so much. So we can